Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to create a shape image in Photoshop. Okay, first of all, create a shape, add shape or create or custom shape. I added the custom shapes, added for many custom shape. Click here and show all append. Okay, now automatically show all shape. Then put shape, drag it or fix size. Now insert image. Okay, then hold shift for research for fixes. Right click the image or right click the mouse, create clipping mask. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.